Question 10, finally. Well, as we can see, it is divided in two parts, right? We have A and B, so let's go for A first. Again, let's read. What's going to happen? Write a sentence with be plus going to for each one from 1 to 8 and a verb. So we need to use the verb to be, we need going to, and we need a verb. Okay, according to the pictures. So it is important for us to understand that it is asking this. Okay, look at the example, number 1. Right? So we have he, the verb to be. He's going to miss the bus. Okay? According to the picture, we need to identify what verb we're talking about. So number 2, look number 2. And we have it. It, what? So I simply do, it's going to, look the clouds, rain. Simple like that. The verb to be, going to, and a verb. Okay, this is the future with going to. Okay, the immediate future. So it's going to rain. Number 3, look. He, what? Lot of cars, and he's holding some notes of money. So, what do you think? Let's predict what's going to happen. What is he going to do? He's going to buy a car, a new car, a car, whatever, but he's going to buy a car, right? This is what I can see here. I can see cars. So he's holding money. So he's going to buy cars. He's going to buy a new car. Well, I think that's better. It makes more sense. He's going to buy a new car. Done. There you go. He's going to buy a new car. Number 4. Look. They. Okay, a lot of boys together in a soccer field. They're prepared. So what are they going to do if there's one of them is holding the ball? So they what? They're going to play soccer. Oh, one thing here. Just remember that going to, every time I have going to, I could replace going to. I could simply say gonna. Okay? So, for example here, let me do one. For example, this one. Okay? Remember, going to, right? So if I say they're gonna play soccer, this is also correct. Okay? They're gonna play soccer. And all of the others, I could have done the same. Okay? It's gonna rain. He's gonna buy a new car. But going to is just as it is. 5. Look. She what? She's in front of the TV. She's holding the remote control. She sits down on the chair. And what is she gonna do? She's going to watch TV. She's gonna watch TV. She's going to watch TV, right? Okay. Number 6 is he. He's running on the beach. A couple of guys are already swimming in the ocean, and he's running towards them. So what is he gonna do? What do you think, huh? He's gonna swim. He's gonna swim. If you want to be more specific, if you don't want to say swim, he's gonna go into the ocean, right? He's gonna go, strange, right? But this is how it's, okay, gonna into the ocean. He's gonna go into the ocean, okay? Enter. He's gonna enter in the ocean, for example. But swim, it will do, okay? It will do. is gonna swim. 7. Look, they what? We have cinema. There's no something here. There's a poster maybe of the movie showing some movie at the moment. They what? What do you think they are at the cinema? They're going to see a movie. They're going to see a movie, right? They're going to see a movie. And finally, we have they and Berlin. Look, they are going in the train to Berlin. So what they're gonna do? I'm gonna put here they're going to travel to, okay, they're going to travel to Berlin. Or instead of travel, I could have said go. Again, I could have put go. I can say go with no problem. They're going to go to Berlin. Okay? This is the future with going to. So remember, verb to be, going to, plus a verb. It doesn't matter if the verb is go again, but it has to be a verb after to. Okay? If I simply say they're going to Berlin, this is not the future. They're going to Berlin. I'm doing the present continuous. I'm having the verb to be plus another verb with ing. They're going to Berlin. This is the present continuous, not the future with going to. Okay, going to, and then I need an action. I need a verb after to. They're going to travel to Berlin. They're going to go to Berlin. And remember, instead of going to, I could have used gonna. Okay, going to, I can also say gonna. So they're gonna travel to Berlin. They're gonna go to Berlin. Okay, now that we know the future with going to, let's go for part B. Because it says, complete the dialogues with the correct form of be plus going to and a verb from the list. So we have these verbs. The verb do, take, get, go, miss, not do, probably the negative, and work and catch. All these verbs we must complete in the spaces, but maybe we don't need to use all of them, right? Not maybe, certainly we don't need all of them. Because the spaces 1, 2, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have more than 5 verbs here. Okay? So, according to the context, this is the context. Okay? They're at the airport. And as we can see, this is the situation. So let's go for the conversation here. We're going to miss the plane. No, we're not. Wait a minute. What are you doing? A cart. I can't carry all these bags. Okay. What is she going? So she can say, I'm going to take. I can say take. Okay? I'm going to take a cart. I'm going to get. I'm going to catch. Well, but I would use these two. For instance, these two possibilities here are okay. Okay, take or get. Either of these two. Okay, I'm going to take a cart. I can't carry all these bags. Okay, cart. This is a cart. So he's going to take a cart. Okay, and do you know a supermarket? Do you know when you're gonna buy something and then you need a cart? It's the supermarket cart or shopping cart. Okay, so let's continue here. Remember, we can use either of these two. So let's continue the conversation. Your homework this evening. So, are you going to homework? Homework, we use the verb do. You do your homework. So, are you going to do your homework this evening? No, I'm not. I'm really tired. In fact, I'm anything, just sleep. So, I'm not going to do Look, the negative we do. Right? So this is the conversation. Are you going to do your homework this evening? No, I'm not. I'm really tired. In fact, I'm not going to do anything. Just sleep. She doesn't want to do anything. So, do you like it here in Montreal? Yes, we love it. But we're only here for a short time. We're going to visit lots of different places. Where you next? Where are you going to go? Okay, where are you going to go next? Okay, Quebec City. The train there. So, we're going to, we can say, get, okay, we're going to get the train there. We're going to take the train there. We're going to catch the train there. Okay? So, what do you think? You have to decide. I'm going to decide, okay? I'm going to decide here. I'm gonna put here get. But it could have been take with no problem, okay? I'm going to get a card. And here, I'm going to say take. Just because it's more usual, okay? But there's no problem. The problem is if I just repeat, okay? I should not repeat one or the other here. So Quebec City, we're going to take the train there. There you go. So we didn't use the verb work and catch, for example. So there you go, guys. Enjoy and compare your answers. Well, see you next time. Bye bye.